Thank you very much to the Brazilian customer for trusting EagerLED and choosing to purchase our EA640C2-P4 LED display, a total of 30 pieces. We are very honored to have your support and trust. EagerLED will continue to be committed to providing high-quality LED display products and excellent services to meet your needs. We will continue to work hard to improve product quality and technical level to ensure that you get the best display effect and the most satisfactory user experience. If you have any questions or needs during use, please feel free to contact our customer service team. We will be happy to provide you with support and assistance. Thank you again for your choice and look forward to achieving more win-win results from our future cooperation with you.